Look at this, mama. Look at this, mama. I'm about to make like my prep, like I'm about to dress my whole grilled chicken. So I have my barbecue sauce here. I have some green blended pepper. I have garlic, ginger. I have some herbs, and then I just want to like blend some more bell peppers and just add to it. So let's go. Now that I've blended it, I'm just going to mix it because this was too thick in a way, so I just needed something to allow it to loosen up a bit. I still have oil. I'm not sure if I should add oil to it because the chicken is kind of fatty, but I'll decide on that later. But then the herbs I have is I have parsley, I have coriander, I have fresh thyme, and I have rosemary. Yeah, so I'm going to be very mild on parsley and coriander, but the rosemary and thyme is going to really go in deep. So I'm back. I'm going to add all-purpose curry powder, salt, and seasoning cube, and then just mix it. So I've decided I'm going to use butter. I remember I got butter specifically for this purpose, so why would I use oil? Although I have like seasoned oil, like you know that jollof rice oil that stays on top, and then you know, after reducing it, you want to just put it to good use. It will do another work job. For now, let me just dress this with some butter and see how it comes out. Just I've mixed it now. All I need to do is just the herbs are not bad. I'm just going to put them as whole. They're clean. So I'll do same for the rosemary. Don't worry, my platform is clean as well. And then just a little parsley. A little coriander. So let's just do the dressing now. Oopsie, sorry about that. I'm going to use my hand because I'm not sure this brush is going to do justice to it. The brush might not do a good job for me, so let me first of all just put this. I'll put the stick inside. Check it in, then do some infusion here. Some infusion here. Then yeah. So yeah. So and then our rosemary. Bombo. Why isn't her bombo? Anyways, we have sufficient now. Sufficient herbs, but then no, it's never too much because it's whole. So we need to do a lot of work in ensuring. The benefit of using a borrowed phone. Sorry guys, I have to attend to something now, but you get the drill. So all I'm going to do is just dress the babe. Once it grows a bit, I might end up dressing it with some butter. But for now, this is how far I'm going. So, yeah. So, this is just it. It's dressed. And then I have this bell peppers, carrots, onions, and all. Everything is going into the bed. Some are going under. Some are going under, just to make sure we get the best of flavors and seasoning. So let's see how that goes, guys. So that's just the prepping. Once it grills a bit, I'll dress it with some butter. So now that it's fully dressed, all I need to do is ensure everywhere has the seasoning, and then I'll just keep it in the fridge for a bit before I grill it. I'll grill it tomorrow morning. Yep. Guys, so I've actually drained the water that was in that kind of extracted from the chicken as I marinated. So this is the next morning after I did the marinating. Yeah, so yeah. And to avoid stories, I've decided to add butter, like to coat it with butter. But in the butter I added some more seasoning cubes, salt, a little salt, and then butter. So I'll just coat it with butter and this, because I don't want stories. I really need this to come out nice, to be honest. So I'm just using regular butter that I got from the mall. But let's see how this goes. Yeah, so I've done the best I can with this spicy seasoned butter. I've tried to tuck it in, I've tried to do all that I can. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this baby girl into the oven. Put this baby girl into the oven. Let's see how she's gonna perform. Wish me well. Wish me well, wish me well, wish me well. Yeah, but I believe it's going to come out exceptionally nice. It has all it takes to do that. So I'm heating the oven in I'm preheating the oven. It's on 200 degrees now, so we'll just go ahead now and boom, boom, boom. Yeah, here we go. Let's see how we're doing. Is the aroma giving us life yet? Okay. I'm making progress. Gosh. Still have a long way to go. In the meantime, let's take out some of this juice. I just brought this I don't know what to call it, but then this out of the oven. Oh my god, this is exceptional. This is something else. This is my first time. I've started digging in, but I'll dig in with y'all so that you see what I'm talking about. Just look at. Meanwhile, let me show you how I knew it was ready. I told you this is my first time, so pork, no water. Pork, no moisture. Pork, no moisture. Normally, if it's still sizzling and bringing out moisture and maybe no oil, then possibly it's not cooked. But this is cooked. This is cooked, and I love every bit of it. Just look. See, inside is. I see the moisture I was able to get, or rather the juice I was able to get from it, because I mean it was so much. So right now, let's just dig in. See, my hands are clean and everything about me is clean. Let me just pick vegetables, our best friends. So let me just do onions. Open your mouth.